So we just parked in Marina Kastela and it's the end of our charter. Morning guys, we're in ROGAC on SOLTA Island. We still need to refuel this boat, which is why we initially came here. However, the fuel station doesn't open until 2 p.m. and we don't want to wait that long here. So we're actually going to go over to Marina Kastela and refuel there because Kastela opens at 12 p.m. so we are just going to sail there. It's not a far route from here. We are leaving this boat tomorrow, but we have to be at Kastela, parked in our designated spot at 6 p.m. We have to be parked in Kastela at our designated spot, and we can only stay here overnight, and then tomorrow we have to leave the boat. So today is our last sailing day. Also updates on Henry the Crab. Henry the Crab is still with us. I wish this camera had a better zoom lens because I could literally show you him in very good quality, but unfortunately I got a wide lens for this camera, not a zoom lens. But yeah, Henry is still with us, but I think here we're going to leave this harbour soon and then set off to our next destination. We are currently just getting some petrol from Split Marina. We went to Marina Kastela to get petrol, and can you guys believe, just as we were approaching the marina, we couldn't see petrol station anywhere. We called to ask about it and they said, sorry, Marina Kastela no longer has a petrol station. And we're like, well, we called in last night and they said it opens at 12. But obviously the person didn't know what they were saying or doing, because we made sure there was no petrol station in Marina Kastela. So we had to come to Split. And I remember this promenade quite well, because I was here 2 years ago when I came to Split. I love Split, it's amazing. But yeah, as you can see, we are filling up the petrol now. I just can't believe we went all the way to Kastela just to be told it's no longer in use. It seems crazy to me. We have problem with filling up all throughout this holiday. We've been having problems with petrol. It's just unbelievable. But yeah, we are in Split now. At least Split and Kastela are very nearby, so it didn't matter too much. It was just a bit of a waste of time. We've already filled up, so time to get back to Kastela. So we just parked in Marina Kastela, and it's the end of our charter. It's the last time we're at the sea. We are now parked in Kastela. The reason why I'm inside is because a diving inspection is supposed to take place outside to check whether we haven't damaged the boat, whether everything is fine. Basically, yeah, they checked the sails already, everything was fine. They checked the bathroom and the cockpit, everything inside. Divers still need to check the keel to see whether that's not damaged. And then yeah, that's basically the end of our charter. So yeah, we are back at Marina Kastela. It's so unbelievably hot. I'm wearing a bikini because I'm so ready to go to the beach. As we are approaching the marina, we could see a beach, a lovely beach, very close by. And I think that's what we are going to do today. We're going to go for a swim because it's so hot, and relax. And yeah, I'm getting really quite emotional now because the end of the holiday. We just got to the beach and they have bunk beds. How cute! They literally have bunk beds right at the beach. Don't want to go back home. I love it way too much to go back home. Yay. So nice. It's our last night here in Croatia. It's getting dark, so we are going back to the boat now, and then we're going to celebrate, going to party, maybe go out somewhere or drink on the yacht, something, I don't know, we'll see. But I'm definitely going to celebrate since it's our last night before we set off. I'm not going to lie, waking up every day at 6 AM has kind of destroyed me, or not destroyed me, but I am feeling really tired, especially because sailing with just two people can be very physical and demanding. So it would be nice to just have lie-in and also feel like we can go out for a bit longer, so that we don't have to go to bed as early. I'm exhausted. It's only 10:12, but I've been going to bed at about this time anyway, most days, because I wake up at 6, plus our days are very full on. So I've been going to bed early, waking up early. And yeah, I think this will be the end of my vlog and the end of sailing Croatia, basically. I love you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and watching Sailing Croatia. If you missed any of the episodes, they will be listed down in the description so you can watch the entire series. And yeah, I'll be sure to see you again soon with vlogs from Leeds. I'm actually moving back to Leeds. Tomorrow's Saturday, so not on Sunday but on Monday I'm moving back to Leeds, so there will be more vlogs from Leeds to follow very shortly, and I'm sure some other sailing vlogs and travel vlogs. But yeah, that will be the end for Sailing Croatia. I love you guys and see you in my next chapter. Bye.